Imagine investing months into a project only to face unexpected costs and delays. Developing software in-house often leads to unforeseen expenses, straining budgets and timelines. Is it worth the risk? High initial costs and ongoing maintenance can quickly drain resources. Without the right expertise, maintaining software becomes a costly burden. Are you prepared for these challenges? ManWinWin is crafted by experts with over 40 years of experience. Off-the-shelf solutions like this incorporate industry best practices from the start, ensuring reliability and efficiency. Users benefit from proven methodologies and structured workflows. Why reinvent the wheel when you can leverage decades of expertise? Building software internally distracts from core maintenance goals. ManWinWin allows teams to focus on asset reliability and performance, avoiding unnecessary software projects. Let experts handle the tech so you can concentrate on what truly matters, keeping your assets running smoothly. In-house software demands manual updates and patch management. ManWinWin offers regular automatic updates and expert support, ensuring your system is always up to date. The system scales effortlessly with your business, adapting to new needs without the hassle of redevelopment. Custom systems may lack robust security measures. ManWinWin ensures data protection and compliance with best practices, offering peace of mind. Dedicated support teams are available to assist with any challenges, providing long-term support and stability. Building in-house rarely delivers expected value and flexibility. ManWinWin provides a ready-to-use, adaptable solution trusted by thousands worldwide. Join the global maintenance movement with ManWinWin. Enhance your operations and focus on what truly matters. Get started today.